Ever pondered the hurdles crop farmers in Canada confront daily? One of the most significant challenges is accurately measuring their yield. But what if there was a solution? Enter the Massload Farm Truck Scale, a tool that integrates seamlessly into the farming process, transforming the way farmers track and manage their crops. The Massload Farm Truck Scale boasts a rugged construction, built to endure the harsh realities of farm life. Whether installed on compacted gravel or concrete, it stands strong, ready to provide precise measurements, come rain or shine. Its robust design means it's a long-term investment, ready to serve your farming needs for years to come. And let's not forget the scale's versatility. With a range of weight capacities, it's adaptable to varying farm sizes and crop yields. Whether you're dealing with a small harvest or a bumper crop, the Massload Farm Truck Scale has got you covered. One of the standout features of this scale is its ability to operate in a wide temperature range. Canadian weather is notoriously unpredictable, but this scale is not deterred. From the freezing cold of winter to the intense heat of summer, it delivers reliable results every time. But the benefits don't stop with its construction and adaptability. The Massload Farm Truck Scale also provides real-time data management. This means farmers can easily track and monitor their input variables, ensuring accurate measurements of their product. The weighing process is facilitated by a remote display or a mobile PC tablet, making it even more convenient. Moreover, this scale eliminates the need to drive to community scales, saving time and fuel. It also prevents overload fines, keeping your operations within legal limits. For those interested in longer scales or higher capacity load cells, additional sections can be added, making this scale a truly customizable solution. The Massload Farm Truck Scale is more than just a scale. It's a comprehensive solution designed to make farming more efficient, accurate, and profitable. So why wait? It's time to transform the way you farm. Head over to the Massload Technologies website to learn more about the Massload Farm Truck Scale and how it can revolutionize your farming operations. Because at the end of the day, every grain counts.